I am Artur Hovhannisyan, a SPRING GX scholar. My research uses AI to quantify how cities and places are talked about in news, on social media, and across online text. We call these collective stories as a place narratives, and they shape how people perceive a neighborhood, whether they see it safe, attractive, comfortable, or worth visiting and investing in. We build models that measure how these narratives change over time, predict where they are heading next, and link them to real-world behavior such as mobility patterns, consumer activity, and local economic outcomes. Because narratives can shift much faster than infrastructure, they give us an early signal of how people will respond to new policies, urban projects, and communication campaigns, often months before that response shows up in conventional statistics. As a part of Wing's Co-Designing Future Society program, I also connect this work to neighboring fields such as sociology, economics, and urban planning, including ideas from narrative economics, so that the analysis can inform decisions that institutions and communities are actually able to act on. Green transformation is not only a technological challenge, it's also a social and behavioral one. Achieving GX depends on people choosing sustainable options every day. How they move through the city, what they consume, and how they use public spaces. Place narratives quietly shape those choices because they influence what feels attractive, safe, and worth doing. By measuring and forecasting how these narratives evolve, my research can show whether a GX policy or urban intervention is generally changing public perception and whether that perception change is translating into measurable behavior. This gives decision makers an evidence base for designing greener cities and communicating about them in ways the public will accept and sustain. Through the activities of SPRING GX, I will contribute to the green transformation.